Have you ever had this happen when you're using your quick connects and you're trying to do some pressure washing? Okay, so what's happening is there's these O-rings, and basically what they are is they're like a buffer between the water and the metal, and you basically have to go through with a pick, take them out, and then put a new O-ring in. And you should actually have a bag of tons of these O-rings. It kind of becomes a routine where you take out the torn O-ring, put in a new one, and it's as easy as that, and there you go. This big mistake literally cost my customer thousands of dollars. Several businesses bid on the cleaning of an extremely dirty white tile roof which was actually looking black. Looking at it, anything strong enough to clean that roof would run off and kill all of the bushes in the front of the house, a fact that the customer knew because it had happened before. But she wanted to save money and went with the lowest bidder, and weeks later all of her front bushes were dead, and surprise, the lowest bidder didn't have insurance to cover the loss either, so it fell back on the lady to cover it. Had she just paid the right professional up front, she would have saved several thousands of dollars in replacement foliage. It just goes to show you the lowest bidder is not always the best option. So have you ever wanted to learn how to put on Teflon tape and put on a quick connect onto a pressure washer hose? Well, here you go. Now's your chance.
So when you wrap the Teflon tape on here, you want to wrap it this way. 1, 2, 3. And then you pull it boom, about like that. See? Don't put it on this way because you're actually going backwards the way. You'll actually get less of a grip if you pull the wrench this way. If you pull the wrench this way, it allows itself to tighten a little bit onto what it is, because this is the main body of the wrench. This is the bottom. The main body of the wrench always goes on the back side of the thread so you can push. So basically what you want to do is take and run them like that. Just put it up against your belt, right? Pull it.
So here we have an all-flow pump for soft washing when you're doing pressure washing. This is always part of a more advanced build, and as you can see, you need an air compressor to go with it. You have to plumb it properly and understand the gauges, but after everything is said and done, you'll have a higher efficiency and reliability when it comes to delivering any chemicals that you need to pump out on your jobs. And this is an upgrade from a 12-volt system, and it's kind of like your next step up when you're doing soft washing. When cleaning a tile roof, or any roof for that matter, make sure to never step in the wet section you just cleaned. I've slipped just once in my life, which was a good thing that I'd slipped, because I never did it again. You never want to fall or slide off a roof, so don't be like me. Be very careful to only step where it's dry, and that'll be one less thing for you to worry about. Now, I don't have anything else to say at the end of this video. That was my entire script, but I have more footage of me not walking on the wet on a roof. So here, keep watching for just a little longer, a little bit longer. Okay, good job.